Here are 5 things you can do if you want to eat healthy and on a budget.
Number one, home cooking. Cooking food at home not only helps you save those extra bucks that you spend from ordering outside, but also allows you to control the quality of the food that you consume, which is of extreme importance when you're trying to eat healthy. If you batch cook for an entire week or meal prep for an entire week, you will always have healthy food available at home. Third is eating leftovers. It is a very common practice in our society to throw out the leftover food or give it to our house help or anybody else. Don't do that. If you want to feed the hungry, it is an entirely different story. But if you have shortage of money and time, have it for your breakfast. There is a smart decision. Saying no to ultra processed packaged foods. Making this a rule in your quest to eat healthy will help you go a long, long, long way. Much more harm to your health than you can possibly think of. Number five, to keep yourself from taking any rash decisions when you're hungry, please keep healthy snacks available with you at all times.